Part 2. What are you gonna get, Katie? Oh, that book's too big. Get a little toy. You found one? Did you find a toy? What's that one? Is that a pillow? Come show Mama. Hey! Where you going? Katie Joanne. You little bug. Oh, did you fall down? You got a bruise again? Yeah. You fall too much. But you're a good walker. I love you. Katie. I see you and your forehead bruise. Need a fake drink? Okay, take a drink. There's nothing in it. Good girl. Good girl. What? There's nothing in there. Hey, what? Katie, don't move my table. Huh? What? Why are you so mad? You want Baba? Is it far away? You can do it. Good girl. Yeah. Yeah. Cheese. You are so cute. You are so cute. You are the cutest. Here's your teethies. I see them. Hey, Katie, can I see tooth number 5? Can you show Mama? Show Mama. I want to see your 5th tooth. Oh, okay, later. Are you done recording? Are you done? What? What? Don't push buttons. What? What? What the? What in the world? What? Katie. Oh, you're such a whiner. Okay, fine.